See? What? Should have brought a flashlight. I don't know what's down there. But look at this. It's got a window and a bench.
And there's like no wind here.
Uh-uh.
Can you go get the flashlight?
Yeah. Is that a basket?
It's a tumbleweed.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, nook.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is also just a nook. Maybe a mine that we started and didn't finish.
It's crazy that there's no wind. Like there's absolutely none whatsoever. It's so windy out there.
Okay, so here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
We weren't. I told you in the last video, at the end of the last video, that the plan today was to finish Lockhart Basin and go into Elephant Hill and then continue on our journey. Well, we have canceled that plan because Kara reminded me that Elephant Hill doesn't allow dogs.
Yeah.
So I decided we're not going to shoot anything today. We're just going to take the day off and we're going to just explore together and soak it in together. But we ended up on this trail, which I don't know the name of. It had a landmark
We'll call
called
it the Pelican Arch Trail.
That's what I'm going to call it, the Pelican Arch Trail.
And I ended up on it yesterday on accident.
Yes.
It was kind of fun.
So we decided to explore this because it is supposed to loop around to near Elephant Hill. But Kara decided to go ahead and start filming.
I've been filming this whole time.
So we'll cut to her footage to get to here.
So we are making our way to Elephant Hill, but we found this road and we were like, let's just take a detour and see what's there. We don't really have an agenda and we're not on any major time constraints. And so we're just finding all of these epic campsites out here. So we have been exploring them and tagging them on Gaia, and it has been quite incredible. I'm going to show you this little ravine that we've been watching as we go along this trail. So as we've been going, we've kind of been following along this huge deep ravine, and it just keeps going and it keeps going and going, and I'll go back and I'll show you some of the places on our way back out of here. It's pretty epic. What do you think? It's quite amazing. Yeah, I could just climb all up in there for a long time because it just kind of goes back.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to be here in a flash flood.
No. I mean, it'd be one epic waterfall because that just goes down into that. It feeds everything.
It's gonna be big and private back here.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's quite beautiful. I'm pretty sure that it just kind of ends right up there. But this is what we've been driving along. This huge wash.
There's a road sign down here, so yeah, we're on the right track.
Anyway, so that's how we got to here. We just started off exploring campgrounds and just piddling around,
Yeah.
just doing what we love to do, and we decided to come here. You.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we are going to go down into this amazing canyon because that's where the trail goes,
And we thought it stopped.
and see what happens. It's just the coolest thing ever.
They're so beautiful. Right. I think it connects up here though, from what I'm seeing. So we are now back in the wash that we were up above earlier, finding all the amazing campsites. And so it's really cool to see it from this vantage point. It gives you kind of a different frame of view, and then being able to see all of the canyons surrounding now down in the wash. It's quite cool.
Holy crap, that giant sand hill is what we have to go up. Well, that should be interesting. I don't know what that looked like on camera. That looks insane from down here.
I didn't realize I would be practicing for the dunes while we were out here. But okay.
This is crazy. Letting her go first. She's got the Rebel Rally sand training. So we'll see. Oh, she's digging in. She's digging in. Oh, dang.
You're gonna have to back all the way back down. Get another run at it. You're not gonna climb up.
I'm gonna try again. It's really, really deep.
Oh, close. You gotta get over that section that you're in.
Well, that didn't work.
The issue is the curve. You lose speed going around that curve.
Can confirm. I think I'm too heavy. I'm just bogging down as soon as I hit the soft stuff. Well, let's turn around and go back, and where we took a right, let's or take a left and go out that way. Okay. If you make it up, I can't. Same spot. Nope. Well, think of it this way. We get to see more of the canyon going the other direction. This is crazy. I've never experienced anything like this before. This is nuts. It was awesome, but I don't know what kind of rig would make it up that. Because she's pretty lightweight in the Wrangler. It's just so steep and so deep.
I made it farther than you did.
You did. You made it quite a bit farther than I did.
It's just so frustrating.
Yeah, I'm just too heavy. And that is so freaking steep. I didn't even look at the gauge to see what the
I could go back up again. And
no.
But right there where, like, see where that gravel is?
Yeah.
You don't think I could go straight there?
No, there's nothing up there.
But once I get up there...
No, you go sideways into a berm.
And then like I could sweep the bowl?
You could sweep the bowl and then roll downhill. Because there's a really steep bowl up there. So, you just have to tell Nina Barlow you're a failure.
That's so cool.
Tell Nina if she wants to do rebel training, she needs to come here.
We don't have to climb. No, they don't train you to climb things like that. They train you to ride the waves. There's no wave here.
There's no wave here. It's just straight up.
That's a hill.
Well, I mean, now we get to go back the other way. Which, that'll be cool.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. It's surprising to me that this is actually a legal road. I mean, there's road signs and all that kind of stuff through here. That's crazy. But oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I am very glad that Kara said, hey, let's go back and do that. Because we would have never experienced this otherwise. This has been so much fun. Oh, now I wonder what it's like going out the other way.
You serious?
Because it's, I mean, according to the map, it's got a pretty good elevation change there.
Need a new battery for my Insta316 when we go in it.
Okie dokie. But I don't know, we'll see. I mean, we can always go back out the way we came. I mean, which wouldn't suck, because that just wouldn't. But there's another way out. Through more of the wash and the ravine and stuff. So, I'm excited. All right, new territory. See if we can get through here, out the other side. Watch that sign angled in. Don't go driver. this is what happens when you know, just decide to be flexible and do, where's the trail go? Forward camera, okay, good. Well, I guess deep. And just decide to go off plan. Because we did have a route for this. I mean, we're on Lockhart Basin. And just decided to go see what this was like. And oh my gosh, I'm so glad we did. This is the best. Because this is not a well-known area. Like, there's no name for this. It's just like, I think we're on BLM. The sign said 26. I don't know what that means. There's not a name for it. We just call it the Pelican Arch Trail because there's a feature called the Pelican Arch. So, you know, you're not getting the stuff that everybody else does. Whoa. Wow, this is real tight. Yeah. Oh goodness, that's real narrow. Made it. Well, we're starting to climb out of here, and the good news is there's no massive sandy hill to climb. I think we got this.
Directly across from us is where that unleveled camp was.
Yep.
You said it had a great view.
Yep, that's where we were just earlier today. Was on that little bluff line over there. Actually had a subscriber message me about this plane crash site, and he sent me the coordinates for it, but we just stumbled upon it accidentally. This was not intentional, but this is parts of an airplane wreckage. Huh. That's pretty cool. Looks like Kara went ahead to scout out this obstacle up here. Interesting. All right, well, this is super sketch. I hope I'm low enough to make it under that rock. Off camber, shelf, narrow. Back driver, just, there you go. Not too much. There you go. Hold that. Tree. Little passenger. There you go. Driver, 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 driver. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, back passenger. There you go. Hug this wall. Whoa, driver. There you go. You got that? Driver. There you go. Just hold that right there. Now your tires just got to scooch around. Turn driver. Well, I don't think you have a choice. There you go. Woo! I'm nervous about my awning in that rock.
Who is right? That tree?
No, the rock in my awning.
Yeah, that's something.
It's really, I mean, she cleared it just fine. It's really about my awning more than anything for a camera. That looks clear.
Yeah. We're good.
It doesn't feel good.
I know. It doesn't look good either. But...
Awesome.
You're clear drawing. Now hold on, let me get up here because you're going to be really wide. Yeah, whoa, 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 whoa. Back up. No, don't. Just come. But turn hard driver. And come, go. Go. Go! Thank you. Okay, now you're good.
Oh man, I am sweating. That was utterly terrifying. Oh my gosh. Oh, how'd you get up there? Oh. Wow, but I think the view from up here is going to be worth it. The view from up here is quite stellar. It's hard to believe that we were right over there earlier. Yeah. Back when we were just having a, a husband and wife special day. But no.
Every day is a husband and wife special day. But I'm married to you, babe.
Oh yeah. But now we're sharing it with all of y'all. All right, let's go see what other perilous things we can find today.
I'm gonna try to climb this real quick.
Speaking of perilous things. Probably easier if you didn't have a Hasselblad.
I know. Can you help me?
What all do you want me? I got everything.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, it would have been much easier if you just let me jump that earlier.
Well,
That was much easier just to jump that.
maybe so. Are you good over here?
No.
No?
No, I'm filming you doing perilous things.
How am I gonna get a picture?
I don't know. You're not going to climb that. No. Again, no. You have no way of... Hey, dummy.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. Look, you have to come down. You are terrifying me right now because I can't see what's around that corner.
I don't think I can do it.
Yeah. I told you that earlier. Now you have to back up.
Yeah, I'm gonna need help.
Oh my gosh. Well, Kara survived.
It wasn't that big of a deal.
Did you make it?
Really?
Were you terrified because you couldn't, because you got stuck?
No.
You were too?
I was not.
She's lying on camera.
Show me.
She got a very firm talking to when I got that down. Because I can't stand to lose her.
I am loving this trail so far. It is so diverse from being down in the wash and even up on top when we were just trying to find campsites this morning. I wasn't thinking anything about the day and it was rainy and drizzly and Matt was like, I don't want to film. But now we're filming. And honestly, I like being able to see him come alive. He loves doing this. A lot of people ask, you know, is it a job to you? And Matt's like, if you love what you do, you never work a day.
I am legit nervous about what may lie ahead, considering what we've seen on this trail so far.
I'm not afraid.
You will be.
I know, it's been so diverse. I just love seeing him come alive.
Like, I didn't expect a big, massive, impassable sandhill. I didn't expect a very narrow shelf road that I almost slipped off of. There's some rocky stuff up here that I can't see, and I'm just wondering what's around this corner.
Again, you're welcome. So I'm so thankful he has decided to record because he just comes alive when he's doing it and you can just see the joy that he experiences it. And it's fun.
Oh yeah, that's fun. Huh.
Think about all of this.
Oh, it's been a blast. It's been so much fun.
It's been crazy.
It has. It's causing me to seriously consider what a year and a half looks like and travel modes and stuff, because I have loved this trip so freaking much. And this is an impossible trip with both the Ross Monster and the Global X.
No, I mean, we just stationed up. We would put a camp spot over there and like, or where that camper was at this morning, wheel it.
Yeah, but I love both of us driving. I love watching you drive. I do. It's a lot.
Oh, don't make me cry.
I really do. I love just being with you and watching you drive and be a badass. And I don't want to.
I know, but
I love you as a passenger because you're my wife and stuff. But I love this Too Deep life and getting to watch you do your thing because you're awesome at it.
Aw, give me a kiss.
So. Just hug that driver's side. Oh shit. Hold on. Hold on. How is it going with this? Hold right there. I do not like the look of this turn up here. I said the turn's doable, but I'm probably gonna need a spot. What have we gotten ourselves into?
I don't know. I'm coming. Give me a minute.
I'm going to, but my back end's got to get around too. Do I? My back tire's gonna climb that. You sure? I'm at full lock. What's my back tire doing? My back tire climbing? Oh shit. That's way off camber, babe. I don't think so. I'm as hard as I can get, babe. See? Which way? You said straight. There's no way I will roll. That is way too high. I don't have any audio for me outside the Jeep, but at this point, I'm just evaluating my life choices and trying to figure out how we are going to get either around this rock or off this shelf road. My stress level is very high right now. I don't want to go all the way back the way we came, but this is looking way too sketchy to move forward. I did find another option going over the hill if I could find a way to back up and not fall off the cliff doing so. But I also knew if I could prevent my rear tire from climbing the rock and pivot around the rock, I would have a better chance of making it. Oh my gosh. I was supposed to thank you for this earlier?
Yeah,
huh? Which way am I going?
straight.
The straight?
No.
Well, that's straight.
Yeah, you're not. And if you keep going at this angle, your passenger tire's gonna drop off.
Okay. Can I go straight? A little more?
A little bit. You're good. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay. What are you doing?
Scooting around this rock very slowly. Yeah, not climbing, scooting.
Oh!
What?
No.
No?
No. There's that big hole.
Oh.
Can you back it up and turn passenger? No. Turn passenger as you're backing up. Keep going. Alright, now turn to the driver.
I'm scooting on my rock rail
Hard driver.
as hard as I can go. Oh my gosh! Babe, I gotta watch this. Okay. Can I straighten up? I can't. Can I straighten up? Whoa, my gosh. Holy crapazoid. Yeah, so what was that about thanking you for this?
You just didn't fall. You're welcome.
You're very welcome. Very thankful for that. All right, which way do I go here? Whoa. Oh, Lord of mercy. Look at sand. Hold that. Hold that. Stay that line right there. Do not move. Nope. Don't move yet. Keep coming. All right, driver. A little more. A little more. Right there. Hold that. Don't go anymore. Nope. Get that tire around that rock. All right, now hard driver. Up right there. Come a little forward. There you go. Want that tire to slip off that rock. Not slipping. Oh, whoa. All right, back up a little bit. Turn passenger just a little bit. There you go. More passenger. More passenger. There you go. Go back. There you go. Alright, that's what I want. Now, driver. Alright, that's where I want you. Yep, just let it scooch. Let it scooch. Let it scooch. There we go. That's what we want. Yep. Keep coming. I know. Straighten up just a little bit. Like straight. There you go, right there. All right, now driver. Hard driver. There you go. Whoa. Turn passenger.
Back up.
Turn passenger back up. Right there. Go straight back from there. Right there, that's fine. A little bit more. Whoa. All right, hard driver. There we go. All right, straighten up. Straighten up. No, straighten up. Trust me. Trust me. Straighten up. Right there. Back tire scoots it around. Come on. Little driver. A little more driver right there. Keep coming. Straighten up. Straight. Straight, straight. Come on. You got it. You're about to clear it. Yes! Come on. Yes. What? What?
Not gonna be okay?
Yes. I mean, it is what it is. You can't do anything else. Yeah, you're gonna clear it. Hard driver. Hard driver. Hard driver. All right. Straight. Yeah. Keep straighten up. Just look right there. Keep coming. Oh my gosh. Too much. Straighten up. Straighten up. You're good. You can come on. Driver, there you go. All right, now straighten out and just aim for this rock. Skirt the side of this rock. Little passenger. Nope. Passenger. There you go. Right there. Hold that. Don't move. You got it. Stay hard driver. All right, now straighten out. Come straighten out and come straight. Right there. Write it down. Holy crap.
I did that whole thing with my emergency brake on.
Why?
Just in case.
Oops.
You can never be too sure it's safe.
You better release it now.
Well, oh, it was.
Let
I
them-
released it because I was like, why is that brake flash? And then I was like, oh, I put it to whenever I was coming to check on you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let me go ahead of you, so if that way you need a pull, I can pull you.
Yes. She made it. I need more momentum.
Come on, though. I do not see a trail up here. Come on, I got it. We're good. You want me to pull up away so you can get, I think you need to, if you angle back to where I was and get a momentum going. I'm going to try that. Hold on, let me pull out of the way.
Yeah, definitely pull out of the way.
Once you crest the hill, you're going to be turning right.
Okie dokie. Here I come.
Yeah. to go straight ahead of you in front of the dunes, and then it curves back to the right. You can follow the sandy path up in the woods there.
So straight ahead?
Straight, you kind of go straight and then turn to the right. You can kind of see up there in that hill, see it's all sand, it's like a runway.
Didn't know we were doing dune driving. Holy crap. Yep, this is it. Whee! Well, that was fun. And my big fat Gladiator made it. Alright, I'm optimistic that this trail is just nice and like this, because I think I've had about as much fun as I can stand for a day. Oh. But oh my gosh. Look at the views. What a day. Wow, did not expect this morning. I thought we were gonna do Elephant Hill, which I've done before, and I mean it's fun, but it's not like that. That was scary. That was like scary fun. You know, when you, something so terrifying that when you overcome it, it's like this big adrenaline rush. Oh, that was it. That was it. Whew.
I think this may be my most favorite day. I thought Lockhart Basin was way cool. Chicken corners, all of that. I guess this is kind of still considered Lockhart Basin. I don't even know. We're still calling it the Pelican Arch Trail. Or maybe something actually called on this, I don't know. But just the terrain, the technicality, getting to experience it with Matt. This has been one amazing day. And I got to rock crawl and ride in sand and go through some whoopty areas. And this is all stuff that we've not seen. Elephant Hill, we've done it, and it's beautiful, and it's one of our favorites out here just because it's unique in its own way. But now that me and him have gotten to share this trail experience, there's just something about that, and it's just me and him. It makes it all the more better.
I know some people like to rag on Milestar sidewalls, but those sidewalls took an absolute beat on that trail.
Yeah, they definitely did, and there was no issue.
I was a little nervous. I really was, but they did fantastic. Both of them, my MT-02s and her XTs. So, thanks, Milestar.
So what do you think about our no filming film day?
I think that was the scariest trail I have ever done. I think that is scarier than Pritchett. Yeah, I mean, obviously, Pritchett has more, you know, bigger obstacles and stuff like that, but there's no place on Pritchett where you're on a shelf road rolling, you know, into a chasm, you know, a couple hundred feet below. Pritchett has the big obstacles, but I think that is far more minute, technical driving and spotting, and just getting around that corner especially was the hardest thing I think I've ever done.
I loved it. I absolutely love the little details like that where you have to really look at every tire position and see like the full picture of it, or like you said, one little mistake that you don't see or that you're going too fast, everything comes into play there. And I think I like the challenge of that.
Oh, I had a blast. I absolutely loved it. That was so much fun. And I'm just really glad that we're alive. Well, we are almost back to Lockhart Basin, like just around this corner, and we have found the peoples. This is where the peoples come to camp. Not where I want to camp, because there's too many people. Looks like Lockhart Basin turned into a gravel road. Okay, so here is the plan. We got off Lockhart Basin and needed gas. I have gas, but for us to continue on with the trail and stuff, we needed a full tank. So there was a Needles campground just right outside of Canyonlands National Park. Needles Outpost is what it was called. They had gas. I called before we even made this trip, said just to check, y'all have gas? Yes, we have gas. For $10 a gallon. That's like almost $400 to fill these 2 Jeeps up. So that wasn't gonna happen. I did put $3 gallons worth in each Jeep. 60 bucks. Which is just mind-blowing. Anyway, then we went to the Canyonlands Visitor Center, just kind of checked in there. It is too late in the day for us to start Elephant Hill, plus we've got the dog, so we really can't. I did verify that with people. So we are going into town, and we'll figure out what we're gonna do from there. Probably start making our way over toward the Grand Canyon area. So that may be the next video. Not sure. But that's the plan, because we need a full tank of gas to continue on no matter what we're doing. So I hope you enjoyed this one. It was a crazy day. Not the day that I thought we would have, but an incredible day that I will never forget. So thank you for watching. If you like what we're doing and want to support the channel, gain access to special content, special events like the big fall gathering we're going to do at Mayor's Adventure Park in November, and all of our GPS data, that way you can avoid that trail. You can mark it on, well, that'll be shared with our patrons, and that you can find that and avoid it, because I don't recommend it. All that's available to our patrons. Check out the Patreon link in the description, and consider that.
Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this filming day. Very glad that I was able to convince Matt that we needed to film. It was quite an adventure. But if you would like to get some of our merch, as you can see I'm wearing it, or also the Rebel Rally Team Grit and Grace merch, and patches and hats and sweatshirts and pretty much all of the cool things, go to shopoverlandapparel.com. See you next time. Bye guys.